So this has got to be the most unusual, craziest thing I've had on the table here in a very long time. The Fireside Audio Box. Yes, there's audio involved. Yes, there is fire involved. I've seen every speaker from the DVLA, which blew my mind, to all kinds of other weird, unusual, unexpected, bizarre, unprecedented, underestimated. None of them can hold a candle to this one. See what I did with the candle? The flame. I may or may not blow up this entire set. Set your music on fire. A little owner's manual here. It gives you a look at propane fueled. So this thing here, it takes a camping style propane cylinder. There's a regulator valve, flame control, volume, audio in, out. Now, I never thought I would be featuring a Bluetooth speaker with flames. It is such a bizarre combination of things, but why not? Any idea what that is? Me either. I'm just gonna remove those for now. We've also got some glass in here. These are 2 sheets of glass, a protective area around the flame. You will put this on one side, the other panel on the other side, and then we're gonna live on the edge, I think. Open flame. It definitely has power, and I hear it attempting to pair straight away. It's also got controls for calls, so Fireside Audio Box, sweet. You know, I got a message from Ghost Notes that if I do another video on a Bluetooth speaker, he has a banger which he thinks will bring the place down. Should I read some instructions or just get after it? What was that about? Like, is this thing gonna blow up right now? I heard propane. I smell propane. I'm nervous about that. Close glass flow valve number 4. Press the electronic valve button. Slowly turn the glass flow valve. Whoo! Oh, man. Oh, gosh, guys, that's pretty intense. Oh, I'm gonna turn this down a bit. Whoa! Holy, okay. Look at that. Have that out on the patio or something? Boys, summertime, a couple of flames, boys. There's like decent heat coming off of that, and that looks crazy actually on that display over there. Okay, hang on a sec. Okay, that's the guy Ghost Notes right there. What? There's a flame knob, which seems to increase or decrease the reactivity to the music of the flame. And then, of course, the regulator valve, which just can give you a crazy flame if you want it. And surprisingly, a lot of heat coming off of it as well. It would actually supply you with a little bit of warmth also. As a speaker, it's definitely not the best I've ever heard. You know, it's not really earth-shattering volume or bass. It's kind of just like a middle-of-the-pack type of performance there on speaker quality. This is for somebody who wants to have something that other people just don't have. It's so unique. Lighting it made me a bit nervous at first, but it's actually not too bad. You hit the electronic valve, you get the regulator in the right spot, and then you light it up, and that's pretty much it. It can take phone calls too, which would be kind of hilarious.
Hey. Well, it seems like I'm on a hot call right now.
Hotline bling.
That's cool.
Laugh again.
Really?
Yeah, laugh. A little Willy Doo conversation. There you have it.
Okay.
Fireside Audio Box. Holy smokes. Not what I expected to see today. It's definitely going to be a conversation starter. If you want more sound, use those nice audio outs. It's going to deliver the vibes for days. I think that's the goal. I think they delivered.